Hey guys, I hope everyone is having an awesome Sunday night. I wanted to hop on here real quick. This is super casual. I've been trying to film this professional video for like over 2 hours and I'm so tired. I have my tripod set up, I had my mic, and nothing was working. So I resorted to the old selfie stick, and this is how it's just gonna go tonight. Because sometimes things don't work, and that's okay. So mainly, the point of my video was that I wanted to share this super cool Instagram hack that you can use in your digital marketing plan. So essentially, what you do is you would go on to someone who's higher up in your industry. So, say for example, you're a chef in England, and you would find Jamie Oliver's profile, right? He's a really well-known chef, probably one of the most famous in the world. So you would go to Jamie Oliver's profile, and when he posts a video or a picture, you would then go to his comment section and go through his comments, right? So you would see a comment, say from a woman named Angela, and Angela says, "Wow, Jamie, what a great quiche. That looks super great. I can't wait to make that." What you would do then is you're going to like that comment and you're going to reply to that comment saying, "We agree, Angela, that quiche looks super good. It's definitely on our list for this weekend." So what that does is not only are you engaging with someone who you already know follows a chef, so you already know that they like food content, you already know that they're okay with following chefs, but also when you engage by replying to them, they get their own notification on their Instagram. So it's like you're putting yourself right in front of a potential client, which is exactly what you want to do. So it's a little hack. So try it out. Let me know how it works. Again, if you have any other comments or if you have any video ideas, anything you want me to cover in future videos, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments below. Until then, I will see you in my hopefully future professional videos, or maybe they'll just end up being little selfie stick videos like this. I don't know. But until then, I'll see you. Bye!